Good morning, welcome back to Welshman's Finds. Today we're in Dyserth at North Wales. We'll have a look at Dyserth waterfalls and a few other things. If you like this sort of video, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. Yeah, it's a lovely little village. I don't know how bad the water is because we've had droughts in Wales at the moment. So we'll have a look at it. Yeah, we'll have a look at the waterfall. But if you're a fan of the 1970s on the buses comedy, one of the filming locations was here. There's a lovely little village. So we've got to pay £1. Well worth it. Over here, there's a plaque of on the bus as well. Can you see it? Yeah. I wasn't a big fan myself, but it was alright. Yeah, so you got to put a pound through the door. Yeah, cool. There you are. It's a lovely little cafe here as well. Any fish in it? Yeah, so I don't know how bad the waterfalls are. If it's because, like I say, we've had a drought in Wales, so it might be not as raging as it used to be. Oh, that's some of it. It's like a old mine shaft or something. Oh, yes, that's... There's the waterfall, begins with you. It's a big bugger. Very big. So if you like this sort of video, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. You know the score. Let's get some more subscribers if I can. That's good. There's a waterfall. Let's go up the steps. Steps! Get everywhere I go, bloody steps! So you can get it from the top. This is what happens if you live in Wales. Hills everywhere. Hills and steps. Looking fit, isn't it? He says. There's a beautiful little cemetery over there. There's someone there that's quite famous buried there. I'm not going to mention any names. I'm going to do that out of respect for the family. But he put Dyserth and North Wales on the map, to be fair to him. Quick, back down these steps in a bit. More. Here they. I had to switch off because a couple of kids walking down the track, so I switched off. Yeah, so have a look over Dyserth. There's the Red Pub, owned by Jules Peters and Mike Peters. Sadly, Mike's passed away, but brilliant music venue and everything. She's doing a fantastic job, to be fair to her. Yeah, Dyserth in the background, we can see the Great Orme. That's the, well, it wouldn't be the D down, it would be the part of the Irish Sea now. Yeah. Let me walk up there a bit. Hell of a hill. Unbelievable. Oh, seats. Let's look this way. I'm trying to get to the top of the waterfall, so you can see, but I'm not too sure if we can. There's a bridge down that way. That was a bit steep, so we'll go around. So if you like this sort of video, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. It's worth watching me having a heart attack. Nice little wooden path, like. You'll have to watch your step on, you know. You fall over, no one's going to hear you scream. There's a headstone on there. There's like a headstone. I can't make out what it says. Maybe it's a dog or something. A horse maybe. Anyway, so I looked over the bridge. I'll take it, that's the stream that goes down to the waterfall. Not sure where it comes from. Must have been a hell of a job concreting these paths at the side, because it's a hell of a bloody hill, like. And so everywhere I go with steps. I'll say I'll bring it back when we're a bit closer. See you in a minute. Yeah, welcome back. I'm trying to find the head of the waterfall, but I think I can see it, but well, you can't see it really if it's been overgrown. And we're going down a different path. That other path nearly killed me, I'll be honest. Hell of a steep. Yeah, so Dyserth for North Wales. Not far from Rill. But like a lot nicer. Yeah, so beautiful waterfall, and one of the filming locations of On the Buses. And so if you're a fan of the On the Buses from early 1970s, I suppose, that's one of the locations. It was filmed, I think it was Pontins it was filmed, and in Dyserth, I think Rutland was another place they'd done. I'll be honest, I wasn't a big fan. I'm not sure which way we go here now. I think we'll go this way. It looks like it's fenced off over there. I've never been up here before, so you'll see in the first time like myself, really. Oh, we're going in someone's backyard and something. There's decent engine. He's put these steps in. A lot easier going down this way than the other way. I'll bring it back when we're down to the bottom. Welcome back here, down the bottom now. We're walking back to the car now. Yeah, there's a lot of tourists around here. Really German they were, I think. Yes, beautiful little village. Definitely worth coming. Let's see where that waterfall comes down. Lovely little village. Yeah. Little bridge here. What is that? So it brings it up. That way. I'll walk back to the car. I'll say a lovely little shop. There's pictures of it there. How bad it really gets in the winter. And there's the waterfall committee. Walking back to the car now. This is very busy at the moment. And it's starting to rain. So yeah, they're coming to have a look at the waterfall. Pop into the pub Red. It's a fantastic music venue now. I say it's owned by the Peters family. And they're doing a fantastic job, to be fair to them. Really well. Anyway, back to the car. Take care for now, I'll see you soon.